Welcome to Thrice Learning. Good day, kids. Welcome to another session in reading, of course with Teacher Jasmine. Let's learn about the letter B. Say the sound of letter B, letter B, letter B. Say the sound of letter B, boo, 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 boo. This is the uppercase B, and this is the lowercase b. Letter B says b, b, b. Here are the words with the initial sound b. B, bag. B, bee. B, bean. B, box. B, bus. B, boat. B, bird. B, bear. B, butterfly. It's blending time. Let's blend B with the vowel sounds. B, bear, bear. B, bear, bear. B, bee, bee. B, ball, ball. B, ball. The following are words with the initial consonant B and vowel blends. Bat begins with ba. Big begins with B. Bed begins with be. Boy begins with bo. Bug begins with b. Thank you for watching today. Remember to practice blending daily. See you again next time. Bye.